Diamond Head was one of the earliest aliens that Ben transformed into after he got the Omnitrix during his camping trip. Since then, he has been one of the most popular aliens of all time. Hello and welcome to WonderYC. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about 5 amazing facts you should know about Diamond Head. Anyway, if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I'm going to make weekly Ben 10 related content. With that being said, let's begin. Diamond Head is a silicon-based life form. It belongs to the once extinct species Petrosapiens from the planet of Petropia. Moreover, even though the connection is not explicitly stated in the lore of the show, but by seeing the events of Alien Force, it's not entirely wrong to assume that Diamond Head and Chroma Stone are somehow related to each other. A prevalent theory of the fandom is that the Chroma Stone species are like the predecessor of all crystalline life forms. This is further supported by the fact that Chroma Stone's crystals were actually necessary to revive Petropia and all of its people. One of the most interesting aspects about Diamond Head is the fact that it is actually immune to aging. This is something that comes immensely handy in the later half of Omniverse when Ben has to fight Maltruant. This is very helpful for Ben and the gang because as Diamond Head, he is impervious to time rays generated by a Chronosapien or a Chronosapien time bomb because of the simple logic that diamonds do not age. There's actually a big confusion in regards to the powers of Diamond Head. You see, in the various seasons of the show, Diamond Head has shown the ability to make and manipulate gigantic clusters of diamond-like crystals. Moreover, he can control the size and shape of these crystals to make various things like walls, steps, shields, ramps, etc. He can also generate crystals from the ground at a distance and change the shape of these projectiles. Diamond Head is also capable of doing various other stuff like capturing enemies into crystal prisons, creating crystals inside objects, etc. That's absolutely fine, but the problem is that, according to the art director Derek J. Wyatt, however, Diamond Head's ability to levitate the crystals that he made are nothing more than the glitch powers of Omnitrix. Again, according to Derek J. Wyatt, the Omnitrix had technical glitches that would cause random flight and abilities that are not native to the alien species. However, the problematic part arises when the writer Matt Wayne said that he had no idea about the existence of any such glitch powers. So the truth about Diamond Head's powers are still a mystery. Diamond Head has a unique crystalline body that perfectly resembles a living prism, allowing him to deflect and absorb most energy beams and render weapons like lasers useless, because he's able to simply refract all of these that are thrown towards him, and these are refracted back at the direction of the enemy. Similarly, rays generated by dimensional transporter devices will simply reflect off of Diamond Head's body. Diamond Head is a very durable alien, and throughout the series, it has remained a major powerhouse for Ben. It has extreme inhuman physical prowess, due to which he is easily able to overpower Vilgax in a one-on-one fight. Once again, his extreme physical durability comes to the play here, and this is on display right from the very beginning of the series. Moreover, a very noteworthy fact about Diamond Head is that he is the only alien other than Weibig who has been able to defeat Vilgax. So those were 5 amazing facts about Diamond Head. There are many more amazing facts and trivia about this incredible alien, but talking about all of them would make this video incredibly long. Say for example, Diamond Head is one of the only 5 aliens to appear in each series of the classic continuity, the other 4 being Upchuck, Cannonbolt, Ghost Streak and Weibig. So these were 5 amazing facts that you should know about Diamond Head. What are your thoughts about Diamond Head? Please mention them in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with all your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYC and I'll see you soon in the next video.